What up, guys?
Good morning.
Good morning, Omar. How
How
are
are
you?
you? Good, good. How about you?
I'm good. So cold.
Turn around, tell me where we're making the money today.
I can't.
Good question, right?
Yeah. I withdrew all my money. I kind of regret it
Why?
because I can't like trade.
Oh. But that's okay. You can do a demo.
Yeah, I just downloaded MT4. So I'm thinking sells on GU to come down to retest this area. The daily resistance.
Recently, a news came which is good for the US dollar too.
Oh yeah?
Non-other employment claims.
Yeah, on E it should continue falling down over here. So if that's happening, then GU should continue going up.
I think so. I think so. GU will, but then GU is reaching its a strong support too.
Yeah.
The one that was broken yesterday.
Yeah.
But we still have it's 20 pips till that.
Yeah.
I think to make it easier, the save buys are above 31,150 area. Save sells would be 39,940 area.
Yeah. Oh, 940. Yeah, possibly. Or
I mean,
even this.
if you look, if you look at the 30-minute, it's respect. So if it closes below that, the line that you've already drawn, I think it's at the same area, right? Where did you draw that line? The black one?
Well, what I think is might do, this one might close above. This 4 hour might close at this support, and then the next 4 hour might wake back up either till here to the body of this candle, or the resistance, then continue falling. You know, they come here, go up, come down. because the next 4 hours starting soon.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Farhan. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good.
So are we looking for the buy on GU?
Oh, for a buy?
Yeah,
Why you want to look for a buy?
because it made the support and
On the 1 hour.
yes, on the 1 hour 30 minutes, and it is not breaking that support.
But at the same time, it's ranging in a 30-minute.
Yes, but the range is quite big.
Yeah.
It's the same that we had yesterday.
Yeah, but I would not trade the range.
Yeah.
Personally, I would not trade the range. As this two lines that Noran has drawn, I would take a buy or a sell.
After it closes and break this line.
Yeah, either way, I'm okay with either way, to be fair. But
No, either way it won't work. Like it breaks the lower. Like it, if you go to the 30-minute, Nora,
Yeah.
it has broken this line so many times, but it pulls back.
Yeah.
that's what I'm saying. It needs
So
to
if
close.
it closes below,
You need to close below.
Yeah, and Noran, if you can see, what's the range between these two lines? How many pips? No, the above, the between the two lines, where it is right now.
27 pips.
I don't know.
We're just gonna have to see how this one closes, this 4 hour. That's the only way. If it closes bullish, then it creates support. No? But like I'm thinking it's gonna close like this, the next 4 hour, wake back up, then come down. It's gonna like basically print some bullish candles like this, and then you know, that's how I see it.
if this 4 hour makes this doji candle, then we can say it's going down.
Yeah.
If it closes doji.
Yeah. Well, who's throwing darts right now?
Sorry?
Who's throwing darts right now?
Farhan.
What are you doing, Farhan?
Nothing.
Where did you enter?
No, I didn't enter.
Farhan.
He's just adjusting.
Like always.
So, two scenarios, right? Like, so this coming down like this, right? It's bouncing, then it broke. This support kind of seemed like a fake out if it closes above here, you know. That's one scenario for buys to go up. The other scenario, if it just breaks this support, then it's falling. Because usually when the price is making the support, it's like a fake out on a smaller time frame.
Will you come again?
Whenever the price is making a support, it looks like a fake out on a smaller time frame. So I'll show you right now. Let's go anywhere. Find this support. Let's go in the higher time frame. Let's go in the daily. For example, you have this support, right?
Mm-hmm.
You see right here, 1 2 3, and then price went up from the support. And if we go to the smaller time frame, fuck. You see how it just came down? Fuck.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so how it just came down, like this was falling, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then like this and this is a fake out, and it just went up, but it looks like a support on the higher time frame. 3 candles. Oh, man. Yeah, so this one
I
on
think
the
so.
yeah.
So if you go to the 30-minute, like we have a good information on. So your resistance is too high, like on 30-minute.
Yeah.
So if you
That's a 1 hour support that price should
yeah,
originally go to.
Yeah,
okay,
but I think if you want to look into buys, if you go to bring the 30-minute candle down where the like the
the
body
body of
of
the
the
candle.
candles, so yeah, a little bit higher. Yeah, so if it closes above this area, then you have a
Yeah,
range to play in.
yes.
I know, but then
But you see, the thing is, yesterday I was also watching one of the Rakil videos. I mean, and when I see his supports and resistance, he just makes it with a very current one, right?
yeah,
Because if you know, so then, and if you look at the current one, it's clean traffic, the three clean candles.
yeah,
And
that's true.
what he said was, if this zone was too important, the long candle would have not pierced it like straight away.
Yeah.
Even this current 30-minute went to the body of that 30-minute resistance and
Yeah,
is coming down now. This current 30-minute
yeah.
exactly touched that body and coming down. And Umar, like one thing, like the previous 30-minute. So if we wanted to take a buy from the support without thinking anything else, so as soon it broke the previous 30-minute wick, we wanted to take a buy, so it was easy to get like 8-9 pips
Yeah,
within
but
the
again,
second.
that's right. But again, you see, this was again, we would have made the same mistake trading within the range. And the range, if you look at this now, which with the new 30-minute resistance that Noran has drawn, between this area it's 14, 15 pip range, right? Um, I mean, it could have worked out. I'm not saying, but it was a risky trade. And plus, this closed as it's closed as a doji bearish, not a bullish.
Yeah, that's
The
true.
previous 30, right?
I mean, this one should continue going up. This is closing major bullish
Hello?
candle.
Hello?
Well, if it closes, well, if it closes like this, it's just with the same.
Range, yeah.
Hello?
Yeah.
What's up,
If you look
man?
at the thing.
Yeah, sorry, I got disconnected. Umar, you were saying something about that 30-minute trade, like you were saying something. Sorry, I got it.
I was saying that the range to trade was like total 16 pips range, right? With the
Yeah,
new support. So I'm like, it's a very risky trade. You want if you, let's say if the range is like, let's say 40 pip range, right? Okay, I
okay.
agree. We can get like 10, 12. But if the total range is like 15, 16 pips, um, it's a risky trade. So why do we want to take a trade? We can just wait, because what will happen is if you take this trade and it goes against us and we close it in a stop loss or whatever, after half an hour we'll see a better, like a second chance entry, and we'll be reluctant. I mean, I would personally be reluctant. I don't know about you, so I would rather wait and just see a, like yesterday, when you and me were there, we waited. We took a trade at 9 o'clock, no, 9:13, sorry. But it was very clear. It broke it. It made it made a new high, retested it with one bearish candle, and then another one broke it, and it was a clear. This is range, right? And we have, like last month, me and Nuran have, lost quite a few trades on trading between the range. Because last month it was only ranging, if you remember, Nuran. Can you guys listen to me?
Yeah.
Okay.
So the new candle has started.
So if this 30 minutes candle close bullish, like this,
Mm.
what would you guys do?
Depends. If it closes below the range, then it's again risky for me.
What if it closes above?
Yeah, then
Then
I'll
I
wait
think
for the next candle to break the top of it.
But then you're only getting like, okay,
But it could be a fake out and it come back again, you know.
yeah. I'm honestly in favor of sells more.
Yes.
yes.
Yeah. That way we're with the trend. Ooh. EA is gonna fall.
Let it fall.
Yeah, it's gonna drown. So if this falls, G is gonna go up.
Yes.
That's how you know Farhan is like, yeah, it's gonna go my direction.
Yeah.
You could see the confidence and
Yeah.
the feeling of being, you know,
Right.
accomplishment.
I'm gonna paper trade this. breaks this low. Cheers.
So when we are taking the buy?
Oh, I'm honestly waiting for sells, but I'm also paper trading this. You could take it right now. I have like I entered. Okay, so I told Omar that I withdrew all my money from my account, right? So I have no funds to trade with right now. So I have this demo account, and I'm paper trading this till there. But I want sells, like that's my actual trade.
Omar, what are you looking at?
I'm looking at it to close above this. If I want to take a buy, because you see the overall trend, I'm more inclined to one sells to, right? So if I want to take a buy, I would wait for a stronger confirmation, which means I wanted to close above this range.
Yeah. So here, what I will think, like, if you ask me, if it closes above, and then the next next 15 minutes is also breaking that, then we can think for the buy. Like, otherwise, if this 30-minute flips, and the next 30-minute breaks, so let's go for a sell.
Within the range?
No, after the range.
Yeah. Okay. Wait for this 30 to close.
Yeah.
What are you guys using? Static risk or dynamic risk?
I mean,
Hmm?
what do you mean?
Oh,
Static risk.
okay.
Like, do you add or delete positions? So that is dynamic, right?
Dynamic is when it pushes against you and you take. So
The
basically,
half hour.
yeah, half percentage of what you were gonna risk originally.
Yeah. So, Noran, that day I was also looking at Rakil's trade. So he does that thing. So, for example, he took a buy right now. I'm just giving you an example.
Hmm.
So, as soon he saw the 15-minute flipping,
Hmm.
so he took out his half trade. And as soon he saw the next 15-minute breaking the lower of his previous 15-minute, he was out of the trade.
Yeah.
He never waited for the stop loss.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what we should do.
Okay, let's say it closes below within the range, and the next 30-minute comes and breaks the high of this candle. What would be the scenario then?
Sorry for what? Breaks high of this candle?
Like, yeah, let's say this current candle closes within the range,
Hmm.
right? Bullish range, right? Being
Yeah.
bullish within the range, but the next 30-minute comes and breaks the high of this candle.
Hmm. Then it's gonna
Farhan,
fly.
would you take? Yeah, then I think it's gonna fly.
But then it could give you like 5-6 pips and then rejects really fast.
You see, that's the thing for me. The buys are sort of messy right now because then it.
Honestly, I'll look
enter-
for buys if it's just above this area here,
Yeah.
like above this bullshit, above the 1 hour support, you know. Right now it's under the 1 hour support.
But it has broken the previous 1 hour right now.
Yeah,
And
that's
if it,
it's trying to make a wick for the 4
Yeah.
hour. You know, like unless if this one breaks the previous
yes,
4 hour,
then
direction completely changed to the upside.
yes, true. But I think so more better we can wait for that thing, that wick,
Yeah.
for a wick, for a buy.
I mean, you could probably get the wick fill, you know, of this one,
Yeah,
but it's gonna be like just like pushing.
the trade.
Yeah.
Even though it's trying hard to push up, personally, I think it's trying really hard. Just a minute.
seemed like not that much volume today.
Yeah, I think it is.
Omar, yesterday volume came after 10 p.m. 10 a.m.
No, man. The same 9:30 candle while we were here.
9:30. Oh yeah, 9:30. But yesterday it was just moving and moving with no reason.
There's some Brexit optimism in the market.
Or if this 15-minute won't break the previous 15-minute on GU, and then the next 15-minute breaks lower, so let's go for a sell.
Sorry, come again.
So if this 15-minute is unable to break the previous 15 for right now, which is it's trying to do, then and next 15-minute, if that breaks below the previous 15-minute, let's take a sell.
Okay, let's see.
Oh. Sean is not here today?
Shan will be here any minute.
Okay.
He's just working.
Do you guys want to enter a buy or no? Targets
Buy?
in here.
And the candle has not closed yet. And it's a 15-minute candle. Look at the 30. What does the 30 say? Broken?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so if it closes just at the top, most likely gonna continue going up till here.
If it closes above, then yeah.
Yeah, I don't think this one's gonna wait for you.
It's okay.
Whoa, what is that?
Is that okay now?
Big feed.
Shan is online actually.
Oh,
One can mute basically, then it should be fine. Like if you are in the same room, so one can mute it, then it should be fine.
Unmuted. Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you. Amar, you want to enter now? Or no?
no, wait, guys.
Good man.
Wait for the 30 to close. No FOMO.
No problem.
The thing is, it hasn't printed like a bearish candle.
Sorry?
It hasn't.
For 4 hours? Lower wick you're saying?
No, for like the lower time frame, like a 15-minute, to put like a stop loss, you know. So if you do enter here, it would have been our resistance. Here, stop loss is too big unless if you put it below the actual candle. Right? So if you do enter, where would the stop loss be?
Just below the previous 15-minute.
This one?
Yeah. Because it come back to that zone, it will just range again.
Well, you have 20 seconds, so if you want to enter, you could enter right now to achieve 8 pips.
Omar, what do you say?
Wait a minute.
It's closing above.
Closing bubble, right? You can enter now if you want.
Go smaller position.
For a buy?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Okay.
small.
If it breaks the previous 30 minutes, so should I enter another position?
Yeah, for sure.
मैं 15 मिनट उस तो क्या करें So Farhan, where's your stop loss?
Below the 15.
Yeah, same for me. No बोल रहे थे. अरे खुद ही ये बात.
So
Might stop me out soon.
yeah, so the 4 hours is rejection. So
If this happens, this is a very prime example of a fake out.
yeah. Or you get like it breaks this wick and then you get another bullish candle like this. But yeah, just exit. Are you guys out?
Yeah.
So now I would say enter for sells.
But again, it's in the range, Moran.
That's
Don't you
true.
think?
That's true. Yeah.
This
But
is what happened. I mean, if you look at it, it was
you see, this candle's making a higher low. It didn't make a higher high. It didn't break this,
yeah.
so it's rejecting. It hit a resistance, and this indicates like there's gonna be a bigger stop loss. So if this breaks the 30 minutes low, it should continue falling. I hope it doesn't go up from here, man, because
I mean, you see, if you remember initially when we were talking about the bias, Farhan, I said I'll enter if it breaks the previous 30 minute. You remember? But I don't know.
the high.
I mean, this, yeah. But then you said that you might not have a bigger range.
Yeah, exactly.
So the question comes down to like, if we know there is not bigger range, we should just avoid it.
Yeah. But also this one tapped to the 30 minutes body. It didn't break the low. See this EA trade smooth. There's still chance for this to flip. It's 30 minutes.
Where is Farhan?
I'm here,
Okay.
but I'm still thinking like it will go for a sell.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
That's what we've been
Because
thinking
four
since we
hour
started.
rejected, 4 hour rejected, and it will flip.
Yeah. As soon as it breaks 30 minutes, it's a nice confirmation.
Omar, will you take another chance for a sell or no? If it breaks the 30
Yeah.
minute. Okay.
Yeah, let's see how it goes. If it closes within the range, then why not?
Let's go. Yes.
Cheers! Cheers! I'm about to close.
You're still holding it?
Nah, like the cells.
You went into cells?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did.
Cheers! Out. It's gonna fall.
How many
Just close
pips?
it.
I secured some 8 and 6. That was nice. That was like 3 pips as soon as it broke the low. It's gonna drown.
So I closed like 80%, just a runner.
Nice.
So you guys enter as soon as it broke the 30?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, so this 1 hour could possibly fill these wicks right here.
It went like 7 pips after it broke, right?
8 pips.
Sorry?
8 pips.
Yeah. 8 pips, yeah, that's right.
You always need, like, gotta make a big stop loss. You know? Each time we have to enter. I mean, each time we have to enter, we find the smallest stop loss. And that usually stops us out because it's too small. And when usually GU is going the right direction, it usually leaves a bigger stop loss, you know, like this one. About how many pips? Like, yeah, like 15 pips compared
Yeah.
to like 10.
Good trade, but a risky trade for me.
Why?
Because it's in the range.
I mean, yeah, but this 4 hour was it didn't have a
Rejected,
yeah, it didn't have a
and
bottom
and it
wick.
flipped. Yes. So there were a few confirmation like it. The previous 4 hour we couldn't reject from the top. It rejected from the top and came down. Then it has to flip to make the lower wick.
Yeah. We were anticipating the flip down, like the rejection, like
We were
this.
anticipating the flip down from the start, right, when we started. But for me, the only thing was that it was just in the very tight range.
I know, but like it's not like a range like this range, you know. It just is small, and it's small because the 4 hour was coming near that to the end of time, you know, and that's why the next 4 hours started. It tried to make that wick, but it didn't. And then while it's time for it to come down, and that's the anticipation of it coming down. Like if it was here, I wouldn't have done it because there's just too many 30 minutes candles. But this is there's not that many.
It stopped me out the break even.
That's okay. You closed the 80%?
Yeah.
Because Omar, if you have wait and taking a trade down below, you know how big your stop loss would be?
I know, but let's see. If I would have taken a trade, if it would have closed below this and sort of a retest, then in
Oh,
that case, the might would have not been a lot bigger.
so basically if closes like this and then you get another candle that wicks up here, you take a sell here, come down.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's still possible.
Yeah. And now if I'm journaling my buys, you see where we took our buys. There was it was if you look at the 30 minute,
It never broke.
it
It
never
was
broke. And if you see, there were like three wicks. They were the bigger wick on the left was sort of the wicks. There were quite a lot of wicks that which shows that there has been rejections, right?
Yeah.
yeah. So, Umar, one thing right now, like I would say, like if this bearish trend breaks the wicks of the previous 4 hour, then it's a good sell to the next support.
If which one?
If this next 4 hour is broken down,
Yeah.
then it's a good sell.
Like broke this low or this low?
Yeah. No, like the previous 4 hour.
Oh, okay.
Previous 4 hour, this one, from here. Because on the left, there is not much traffic. It's a clean move.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, like looking at the daily, this thing should continue falling down until 3600 at least, right? Then we could look for like a support to come retest this high, 133. So buys are far away.
It might come down to the support that you've created and then sort of make a support there to go up if it has to go up.
Yeah.
Also, if you look at the 4 hours,
1 hour is showing a bullish
if you
trend. Like,
if you see on a 4 hour, right, this current 4 hour candle did not break the previous 4 hour candle, right? And where we took our buys was like 3-4 pips away from the
high.
yeah. And if you draw a line right where the high was, you see this is a high that has been respected by this area. In a small time frame you'll see that, but if you see this area has been respected on a 4 hour from the previous candles on the down wicks, and then once it broke down, this candle tried to break it, but the bearish candle, it couldn't do it. So it means it was a strong zone. We should have looked at
strong sells. That's why.
Yeah, the strong sells were more likely to be there than the buys.
Yeah, that's why we took it when it broke this low.
No, you see, that was our second trade, but I was talking about the first trade, right? We shouldn't have taken the buy.
Yeah. I mean, at the time, it looked different, right? Like it was going bullish. It was free traffic, like when we had our zones, like right here.
Yeah.
You know, we said it's hard to get. It's like pushing the trade, but if we could get 10 pips, then that's it.
Yeah. But at the same time, you see, there were 2 wicks that we should have looked on.
Yeah.
That's okay. It was a very, very small position for me. So.
Good.
Because I was planning to add up a position if it had broken the previous 30 top.
Yeah. That's what.
Yeah, I was also initially thinking the same.
Yeah.
But it was a small position I lost, and as soon it broke the previous 30-minute, I took the sell and just closed in 8 pips. So at least I'm in positive. So
Nice. It's all about managing your risk.
Yeah.
That's it.
So Omar, what's your analysis on next 30-minute, because it's closing in the middle of the range?
I've been saying for this one that it's just in a range right now. So when it's ranging, we don't know what it's gonna do. It might come down, it might go up, but
Okay.
I mean, you see, right now it's, I don't know. What do you think, Nuran?
It's just ranging.
We could pretend that this 30 minutes is at the resistance, right? To continue going down. If this high breaks, then that's it. There's no sells. There's no buy.
Because right now this 4 hour hasn't broken any wick, like not the upside, not the downside.
Yeah, exactly. Like I don't see this 4-hour breaking this high. It shouldn't make a support over here.
Yeah.
It's making it on the 1 hour, but it's rejecting. Right. Yeah, it's the next 30 minutes probably gonna come down.
Yeah.
Let's see.
If it breaks these all lower wicks, which we are seeing right now, it's a good sell.
Yeah. For sure.
ورا خلاص كده ورا. كده.
One hour has closed doji.
Yeah, this one breaks the low. It's dropping. Let's go. Let's go.
Who is entering for a sell?
I am once it breaks the low.
Sorry?
I am once it breaks the low of the hourly wick.
इंटरनेट देखा इंटरनेट देखा हाँ guys, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Mm.
It's like no.
No. No.
I'm just targeting these wicks.
Yeah.
You guys want to? You guys will enter again?
Yeah.
Yes.
Once it breaks the low.
Of the 30-minute?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go. Oh man, what is this?
It's playing with your emotions.
Ooh.
Are you in?
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's do it then.
Cheers. Cheers. Si, senor.
Hey, senor. Only 3 pips for me so far.
The
4
Forex
pips.
gang. I'm out.
How many pips?
Oh, I secured 5.
Hmm.
Do you want to secure?
No.
No.
Oh.
Hey.
Remember, guys, you're just a wick. And the wicks don't lie.
Wicks don't lie. Push.
Oh shit. Okay, Omar. He's like push and fell like 3 pips. Are you guys securing?
No.
Yeah.
Wow, what the hell, Omar, man? Secure some.
Okay.
Even though
Yeah,
this
I'm out.
fully,
Yeah, 5 pip.
that's good. It's gonna drop now.
Umar, it was just waiting for me to close, okay? Now you're good.
Yeah. Thank you.
Now you are in safe hands. See?
Oh,
See?
shit.
But I would say as soon it touches those wicks, like almost it is about to.
I'm out.
Nice. Good job.
This one was a good one. Because I followed Umar's analysis. As soon it breaks the previous 30 minutes, then enter.
Yeah. Omar didn't even mention that.
Yeah. I always I said that let it close.
Yeah, this thing like is gonna come down to 3,600. Then it's gonna range for a little bit. Tomorrow probably too is gonna stay around this area. It's Friday, and then probably by next week. That's bullshit. So next week, the weekly should come down to 400, 3,400, and then possibly go up.
Yeah.
Dun, 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 dun. That was a nice trade, guys. So
Yeah.
what went wrong is we went against the trend.
Sorry?
What went wrong is that we went against the trend,
Yes.
and
Or even if we were going, we should have waited for that new 30 minute to break above and then enter.
yeah, that's true.
That was because it never broke it and we entered. That was the mistake. So who is taking another sell after it breaks the previous 4 hour?
No one.
No, no,
me.
no one.
I just wanted to hear that, Umar. Okay, guys.
I wanted to say Farhan only.
Okay.
No, but this,
But honestly, like if it breaks this
Yeah.
4 hour, it is going down.
yes, and that's where it should have been. You break even.
But the thing is, like it always pulls back from here, so I'm not taking any risk from here right now
Yeah,
because so many times it has just pulled back.
but see, like when you're sure about when it breaks the 4 hour and it comes down, that's the day where you should leave a runner. You know.
Yeah. Okay. Guys, I have to go. I
Yeah.
will catch you guys tomorrow. Okay.
All right.
Take care, Farhan.
Take
All
care.
day then.
Bye.
Peace.
All right. Peace, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna head out too. I didn't even trade today with any like real money.
That's okay. It was a good day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hopefully, do you know how long the process takes to take to take the money
mean,
from the account?
If you don't get it, let's say tomorrow, then it's Monday, right? But I think it will be Monday. I personally believe.
No, but like I requested the money, like I made the withdrawal, but they haven't taken it from the account. Do you know how long it takes for it to be like zero?
Or they haven't taken it from your from So your account is freeze, but the money still shows there, right?
Yeah. I don't know if it's a freeze. Like I could probably trade, but I requested the amount that it needs to be withdrawn. So
Did you get the email yet?
I got an email, yeah, saying
No,
your
you
withdrawal
got the email
request. Yeah.
that the withdrawal request has been submitted, and have you got another email that it has been processed?
No.
Okay, then you wait for the email, and once you receive that email, I think it will take 2 days after that.
Okay.
Yeah.
I was supposed
Yeah.
to do it last week, but whatever.
Sorry.
I was supposed to do it last week, like withdraw.
That's
Yeah, I lacked.
okay.
It was a nice day.
Nice day.
Yeah.
I'll catch you tomorrow.
Yes, for sure. Take care, Sean. Omar. See you guys
All
tomorrow.
right, guys. Sean is busy with this. I think he's
Where?
too busy today.
Bye, Naran. See you guys tomorrow.
Bye, Sean. See you. Take care. Have a good day, guys.
Too.
Okay.